To my channel, Sparkle and Glue. So glad to have you here today. So I thought maybe we could do a little craft along, or certainly you can just watch and craft later. But what I made is these are just these little paint chips type of idea. So I made just a page, which I'll link in the description below so you guys can print one out. And then I just cut them. And I thought that they'd be really nice in junk journals or in little pockets, or you could just add them to your pages. I tried to kind of cover the spectrum of colors. I mean, these are more of what I would use, but hopefully they, can work with a lot of your stuff. Anyway, so what I did is I decorated a few already, and I just inked around the outside with the Distressed Ink Vintage Photo. I glued a ribbon on, and then I just have some washi tape. I did 2 strips, so that one is the brown one. And then for the green, I just had this thick lace and glued that on with a little greenery and flower that I had. It's from a little flower kit I bought at Hobby Lobby. And then I figured we could kind of work on a few together and see what we come up with. So what I did is I kind of just found things I had around. I had some stickers from the dollar store. Maybe we could use those. I did print a few flowers on Design Space on Cricut, and I don't know if I'm going to use them or not, but they're really pretty. And but if you don't have Design Space or Cricut, you could use a stencil or just a sticker. The other thing I wanted to show you that I just got, and I haven't tried it yet, it's from Amazon, and they're stickers. That's a big roll of flowers. Now they're calling it washi tape. I don't know if it's actually washi tape, but it is a sticker. So I thought maybe for spring or Easter, that's really pretty. So maybe why don't we try that on the yellow. Like I said, I haven't used it yet. I put a piece of tape on here to hopefully, oh yeah, so I don't know if you can see. It peels off the back. And then, let me do this so you can see it. Let's go ahead and just stick this down and see what happens. What do you think? Maybe right there. And I guess they're cutting this out. I'm not, but. And a scissor. And let's just trim the ends. And my dog's in here chewing a bone in case you could hear her. I don't know if you can or not. She's helping us craft. Okay, and I'm just trimming. Let's put this away. Okay. So that's pretty, right? I think that's nice. And then what do you think about, let's put a piece of lace here. Just cutting it. And I'm going to add glue just in the middle on the strip here. And add that on to the little paint chip card. Let's maybe put that right there. Just press down. Give it a chance to dry, and then we'll trim that. And I'm not sure what else we could put on here. we'll just look around, and I don't know how you are, but so I'll put this down, I'll be finished, and then maybe later look at it and think, oh, you know what would be really nice on that, and that's fine too. I think a lot of the things I do, I come back and look at later, because, you know, maybe you just are finished with your ideas, or you can't come up with something. Why don't we put a little ink on this one, just around the corners. Ooh, this isn't dry yet. So, all right, let's let it sit and dry before we ink it. And you can put it down on the yellow. And that might even be enough, really. It's maybe a little something else, but I just can't think of what would be good right now. So, and let's get rid of some of the extra garbage. Okay. And how about pink? What should we do with the pink? I think, why don't we try maybe this. It's pretty. So this was from Cricut Design Space, and it's a design that's in there in Design Space. So I just printed it on white cardstock, and that's all this is that I have this printed on, is just white 80-pound cardstock. And I'm just going to get glue, not everywhere, because the pieces are so thin. And I guess you could probably use a glue stick, maybe for this would be easier. But it does, the glue does dry clear. So, and let's just push down and give it a chance to dry. And then we can add some more. So we have that. And then on the blue, I was thinking maybe, oh, I have some washi tape. Maybe we can do a strip of washi tape in the blue. I'm just going to do a strip along the outside. And washi tape, see, that's the thing, it removes very easy. These stickers I don't think will come off, the flower stickers that I bought, so I'm not sure. Okay, so there's a strip of little blue, and maybe we'll add about some gold with it. Just add a strip of gold. Here. And I'm just going to turn it over and trim. And then we can do more lace. Oh, you know what? This flower is pretty. Let's put this. This, again, it's from the dollar store. And that's kind of pretty on there. And I don't know, maybe that's good enough. It's certainly, you can certainly do so many different things with this. So, all right. And with this, maybe, what do you think of some lace as well? And maybe we can have it even coming off the end. Oops. I'm just going to trim this. Let's see. And I'm just going to put my glue along the border strip in the middle, I think would be the easiest. And let's just glue that on the bottom. Give it a few minutes to dry. How's this one? Is it drying? Yep. This is drying. And let's see what else we have. We have our purple guy here, my favorite. Maybe just an individual white flower. So I also did get this from Design Space. But like I said, you can use stencil for this. You can use little stickers if you have them. You can cut them out. Let's just glue that down. And that kind of makes a statement all by itself. And our pink is drying, but maybe I can just trim this. Okay. All right, and there's the pink. All right, let's put this here. Oh, and I have, I don't know if it's too much or pretty, but I'll put it in. These were from the dollar store, little flowers. I just, when I see little crafts around that I think might work, I grab them. Okay, so that's there, and then you think the purple needs something? We could add some glam. I don't know. But anyway, so here's what we have. And you can add then really, if you want to make them more vintage feel, like this because of the ink around it, or adding little tags that you already have, or little stamps, or really anything. So anyway, I just thought I would share that with you again. The link to this page is for the Google Drive, and it is below in the description, so go ahead, and it's free. Just print it out and then cut out and design them how you want and add them to your journals. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for crafting with me, and I'll catch you on the next video. Okay, take care.